Afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon, Navratri. How are you? We are late for 10 minutes.
Yes.
Actually, I was taking a lecture and it was not finished yet, but no problem. We can start. I knew this timing that you are ready for that. So, before beginning, let me ask you what is your homework? The last time I had given you.
What you are like? I was really confused that what did you got and you sent me at the phone like about present tense, so I didn't understood that.
So, this is the present perfect tense last time I had taught you. Understand? And in that, on the basis of, my homework styles are quite it's very easy to understand. Whenever I teach anything, I will ask you to write down minimum 20 sentences with each structures. And if you're not writing, so means you are missing a lot of things. Last time when I started teaching you present perfect tense, so you are having some of the problem with the grammatical structures, the grammar. So that's why when I taught you the first structure, the second structure, like मैंने काम कर लिया है, कैसे बोलेंगे? मैंने पूरा कर लिया,
I
जैसे आपको मैंने अपना होमवर्क पूरा कर लिया है, कैसे बोलेंगे?
I have completed my homework.
इसी तरह के आपको 20 सेंटेंसेस तो लिखने थे.
Okay.
ओके. और मैंने अभी तक अपना होमवर्क पूरा नहीं किया है.
I haven't completed my homework yet.
That's why such kind of sentences, that positive, negative, and interrogative, that you should have written. Same thing, I
Oh,
had also taught you the use of has and have position. So I asked you to write down some sentences for positive, like I had, I have experience. Okay, my father has a car. My mother has three bags. Okay, my sister has a headache. And then you have to also make sentences in negative, like I don't have many toys. They don't have a plenty of cars. She doesn't have. So when you try to make such sentences don't have and doesn't have, then you will realize you have to sometimes use these structures in your communication. When you try to speak, it will be correct. Okay,
okay.
today, look, so far I have taught you present perfect, present continuous, and past continuous, and present simple. Today I'm going to start with you past simple tense. Okay,
Okay.
so past simple means in Hindi the action that you already did. आपने वो काम पूरा कर लिया just a moment ago. जैसे आपने बताया कि मैंने आपको रास्ते में देखा, कैसे बोलेंगे? मैंने आपको रास्ते में देखा.
I have seen you in road.
नाउ यू हैव टू चेंज दिस स्ट्रक्चर. अब आपको ये बोलना हो आई, अब आपको ये बोलना है आई सॉ यू ऑन द वे.
I saw you on the way.
नाउ यू हैव टू यूज वर्ब सेकंड फॉर्म. व्हाट यू हैव टू यूज?
Verb
वर्ब
second form.
from the form, verb second form. Second form, like what is the second form of the slip? हाँ, what is the second form of the slip? Slip means सोना. Slip का second form होता है slept.
Slept.
थर्ड फॉर्म, थर्ड फॉर्म भी होता है स्लेप्ट. बट
Slept.
व्हेन यू हैव टू मेक सम सेंटेंसेस फॉर द पास्ट, जैसे आपको बोलना हो कि मम्मी सो गई, तो कैसे बोलेंगे?
Mom has slept.
अब यहाँ पे हैज की जरूरत नहीं है. मॉम
Mom.
स्लेप्ट.
Mom slept.
ठीक है. मैंने देखा.
I saw.
तुमने बताया.
You said.
वे लोग चले गए.
वे लोग चले गए. They gone.
They went.
They went.
The second form of the go is what? Tell me. Second form
The
of the
form of the is went or gone.
go, went, gone. These are known
Went.
irreg.
And the third
These are known.
form gone.
Yeah. These are known irregular. Irregular. Okay. Verb. What we say? Why? Because their forms are different. Irregular means.
Irregular verb.
So what are the
The
irregular verb?
thing
What are? Tell me.
like those are not done every day.
No, I will tell you. What is the regular verb and irregular verb? So regular verb means, like suppose if you have to say miss, miss. Okay. What is the second form of the miss?
Miss means madam.
This is not. This is called verb. Miss मतलब याद करना. Miss, missed, missed.
Missed.
What is the second form of the allow?
Can you repeat?
I have written. What is the second form of the allow?
Allow, allow, allowed.
What is the second form of the walk?
Work, worked, worked.
So can you see what I am writing? The second form ed, the third form ed means there are many verbs. Verbs, the action that you do. Action in Hindi लिखना, बोलना, देखना, सीखना, जाना, आना.
Banana,
यस, बनाना के लिए क्या वर्ड है? MAKE. व्हाट इज द
make,
बनाना? यानी कि अगर आपको बोलना कि मैंने बनाया तो कैसे होगा? सेकेंड फॉर्म क्या है इसका?
banana, made,
सेकेंड फॉर्म भी मेड, मेक, मेड. तो वर्ब
made,
जो होते हैं, लाइक मैंने काम किया, जैसे कंप्लीटेड, मैंने पूरा कर लिया. कंप्लीटेड. कंप्लीट का दूसरा फॉर्म.
completed.
तो आपने देखो, आप दूसरा फॉर्म कितना इजी है बताना, क्योंकि आपको ईडी लगाना है ना?
Yes, yes, sir.
कंप्लीटेड, कंप्लीटेड. इसलिए हम इनको बोलते हैं वर्ब रेगुलर. क्या बोलते हैं?
Verb regular.
वर्ब रेगुलर. एंड गिव मी सम मोर एग्जांपल ऑफ वर्ब रेगुलर लाइक कंप्लीट. जैसे फिनिश. फिनिश में हमने ईडी लगा दिया, फिनिश्ड. सो गिव मी सम मोर एग्जांपल. गिव मी सम मोर
Okay.
एग्जांपल्स वेयर यू हैव टू पुट.
Drink,
नो, ड्रिंक तो इरेगुलर हो
drink.
जाए. वेट. ड्रिंक मतलब इरेगुलर वर्ब, वो रेगुलर में नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि सेकंड फॉर्म हम ईडी नहीं लगाते हैं उसमें. ड्रिंक का
Okay.
सेकंड फॉर्म क्या होता है? ड्रिंक, ड्रैंक, ड्रंक. नाउ यू गिव मी एग्जांपल ऑफ verb regular where you have to put only d or ed in the verb. Tell me.
Read, readed.
नहीं, रीड के साथ रीडेड नहीं होगा ना बेटा. रीड का सेकंड फॉर्म होता है रेड, और स्पेलिंग वही रहती है, READ. रीड, रेड, रेड.
Yes. Okay.
और भी बोलो आप मुझे. लेट मी सी कि हाउ मेनी सेंटेंसेस, हाउ मेनी वर्ड्स दैट यू नो. टेल मी.
Study, studied.
यस, दिस इज राइट. यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट इट डाउन. स्टडी. स्टडी का सेकंड फॉर्म.
Study. Wait, I'm studying.
यू राइटिंग. ओके.
Study study plus stu studied
Study.
studied
Give me some more examples. Yes. Give me some more examples.
Okay. Mm,
Remember, remembered,
remembered, and
third form is also remembered. Sin, reminded. Follow, followed.
forgot.
No, but forgot is, it's irregular because you are not putting D at the end. They say forget, forgot, forgotten. So this
Okay.
is not regular. Regular means when you have to put D or ED in the second form or the third form.
Okay. Um,
Hmm. Let me see if you remember.
packed, packed, packed.
Packed. Yes, you can write it down. Let me see.
Yes. Pack. uh,
You can also say picked. Suppose if you are picking something up, so you can say I picked up. Do you know the laugh? Laugh. Second form is what? Laughed. Third form is yes. Say me some more words.
Okay.
Hmm. Cry, cried.
Yes. Cry. As you said.
The
Teach.
second form, no, but the teach is the second form is taught. So this is not regular verb. It is irregular verb. Teach is teach, taught. Means the second form or third form are different from the first. When you have to put only D
Oh,
and we have to make second form. How the last time you have told me that, sir, I have sended. So you can't say I have sended because the send has the second form sent. The third form is also sent. So you have to know
okay.
what are the second form or the third form. This class and this lesson will really improve your grammar and mistakes that you have been making. Understand? So that's why sometimes you
Yes.
have to say something कि सर मैंने आपको भेज दिया. You can say I sended नहीं बोलोगे आप I sent you. This is how the verb, there are many verbs like fly. Fly means
Cry means Rona.
cry, rona. So cry, cried. Walk means what? Walk. This is good. Cooked. You can remember your activities like how you wake up in the morning, then you opened, no, you open the window, close the window. So open is also a verb, and but it is regular verb. Same thing happens with close.
Closed, closed.
This is yes. What is the second form of the clean?
Cleaned.
Yes. So when you have to say the past action, मैंने साफ कर दिया. So how to speak? I cleaned.
I cleaned.
मैंने दरवाजा बंद कर दिया.
I closed the door.
Yes. मैंने दरवाजा खोल दिया.
I opened the door.
मैंने होमवर्क पूरा कर लिया.
I
Completed.
I completed my homework.
वे लोग आ गए. आना यानी कि come. What is the second form of the come?
Come came.
Yes. You have to say they came. तो देखो अब came हो गया, अब हो गए irregular verb. So you understood now what are the verb regular and verb irregular? Tell me.
Yes, the example of it,
Tell me.
danced.
Yeah, that's great. I would like to share my screen and I will show you. Already I have given you some course materials where I have mentioned verb first form, second form and third form. Okay, so now I'm gonna share my computer screen and I will show you. Look, can you see? Can you see?
Yes, I can see.
What is the first form of this accept and second form? Accept.
Accept.
Second form is,
Accepted.
third form is accepted. So look,
Accepted.
these are known the verb regulars. Why regulars? Tell me. Why these are regular verbs? Tell me.
Regular.
These verbs are known as regular verbs. ऐसे वर्ब को हम बोलते हैं रेगुलर वर्ब्स, क्योंकि इनके दूसरे फॉर्म और तीसरे फॉर्म में हम ईडी और डी लगाकर हम पास्ट टेंस में और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल में बातचीत करते हैं. देखो एडमायर में हम लगाया जैसे मैंने आपकी तारीफ की, तो एडमायर मतलब होता है प्रशंसा करना, लेकिन हमको इसमें ईडी लगाना है पास्ट में बताने के लिए. तो आई एडमायर्ड यू. अभी आपको बात समझ में आ रही कि व्हाट इज वर्ब रेगुलर क्या है? बताइए. वर्ब.
Verb regular.
हाँ, व्हाट इज द वर्ब रेगुलर? बोलिए.
In verb regular words, in the words if there is ed or d, it is called
Yes,
regular
verb
verb.
reg. And if we do not put ed or d and the forms are changed, the second forms are changed with the third form. Okay, so we say, like suppose this is, what is the keep? Second form is
To keep, kept.
kept. देखो इसमें keep में ed नहीं लगाया ना हम लोगों ने, kept हो गया,
So it is
है ना?
irregular verb.
यस, देखो ना यहाँ पे देर आर मेनी. जैसे अभी आपने ड्रिंक का इस्तेमाल किया, ड्रिंक, ड्रैंक. सिंक, सिंक
Drink,
मतलब डूब जाना.
sank, sunk.
सिंग, सिंग का सेकेंड फॉर्म
Sing का song, sung,
सैंग. सैंग जैसे मैंने एक
sang,
गाना गाया. हाँ, आपको बोलना हो कि मेरी मम्मी ने
sang.
एक बहुत.
I sang a song.
यस. तो अब मैं आपसे पूछूंगा कि मेरे पापा सो गए, कैसे बोलेंगे?
My father slept.
मैंने एक टॉय खरीदा.
I bought a toy.
वे लोग चले गए.
ये लोग चले गए. They went.
मैंने मैसेज भेज दिया.
I sent you message.
अभी आप सेंट समझ में आया ना? आपने एक बार याद है आपने सेंडेड बोल दिया था, है ना?
Yes.
तो देखो यहाँ पे यू हैव टू सी सम ऑफ द वर्ब्स, they are known. Look, lot of verbs are there. I have given you. See, oblige, oblige means मजबूर कर देना, मेहरबानी कर देना. जैसे आई oblige, आई shall be obliged, मैं आपका आभारी रहूंगा. लाइट से बना है लिट. मैंने मैंने लैंप जला दिया, दिया जला दिया, तो कैसे बोलोगे?
I lighted a candle.
यस, आई लिट द कैंडल भी बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है. मैंने सीख लिया, आई लर्न का सेकेंड फॉर्म
I learned.
यस. तो देखो ये फर्स्ट फॉर्म सेकेंड फॉर्म कुछ वर्ड ऐसे होते हैं जैसे मैंने मुश्किलों का सामना किया. तो आई फेस मतलब
I
होता है आई
I faced problem.
प्रॉब्लम्स, बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम। ठीक है, तो डिसाइड से सेंटेंसेस कैसे बनाओगे? डिसाइड वर्ब रेगुलर है या फिर इरेगुलर, बताओ।
It's regular because there is at the last it's ed. There is ed.
Great, I think you understood. So make a sentence with decide.
Okay. I I decide I decide I I decide to
हाँ, you have to
I
make
decide
sentence in the past. आपने जो डिसाइड किया यानी कि आई डिसाइडेड, बोलिए।
I decided to I decided to have a have a competition in my home.
दैट्स ग्रेट। आई डिसाइडेड टू हैव अ कंपटीशन। ठीक है, आई डिसाइडेड टू बाई दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉय, आई डिसाइडेड टू गो टू द पार्टी। अंडरस्टैंड?
Okay.
सिल से
I
बनाओ।
decided to be friends with my enemy.
That's great. That's great. That's great. Good sentence that you are making. Make sentence with cancel.
Cancel. I canceled
Hmm.
to cook by myself now.
I cancelled the plan for cooking by myself. Okay.
Okay.
So make more sentences with different words. जैसे apologize, माफी मांगना।
Apologize. माफी मांगना.
तो make sentence.
I apo I apol I apa what we call it.
I apologized.
I
I apologize
apologized with
for my
my from my teacher because I have done a mistake.
yes. I have done की जगह बोलो I have made a mistake.
I have made a mistake.
ओके, तो डन की जगह यहाँ पे बोलोगे मेड अ मिस्टेक। ओके, याद रहेगा।
Yes, I apologized my te teacher because I made a mistake.
That's great. Okay, so make some more sentences. I have lot of words here, but let me see how many words that you know. I am making sentences. जैसे आपको आप sentence बोलो only verb regular, then I have to talk to you verb irregular. Tell me, जैसे harass मतलब होता है परेशान करना। तो कैसे बोलेंगे सेंटेंस? हाउ टू मेक सेंटेंसेस?
Okay. That child harassed harassed me so much in the train.
यस, ऑन द ट्रेन बोलेंगे। क्या बोलेंगे? ऑन द ट्रेन, नॉट
On the
इन द।
train.
दैट चाइल्ड harassed me on the train when I was traveling. Okay, अब हम बातचीत, वी आर नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द वर्ब सेकेंड फॉर्म विथ irregular. Verb irregular. Okay, look
Irregular.
what, see, buy means खरीदना. Second form of buy is what? Bought.
Bought.
So tell,
Bought.
make sentence, मैंने खरीदा।
I bought so many toys at the store.
Yes, make sentence with bring. Your father brings something for you. So bring means
Brought.
brought. Yes, your father try
Okay.
to.
Yesterday my father
Hmm.
bought a princess table for me.
Great, that's good. Make sentence with become.
Become.
जैसे
Became.
हो गया।
Okay. I want
नहीं,
I want to
become,
become.
no 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 no, you have to speak I became.
Okay. I became a I became a monitor in my school.
That's good. Make sentence with the come. Change the subject, not I. Say something, she, he, my father, my dad, you, like this. Make sentence with come.
Okay, came. Yesterday, my father's old friends came to my house.
That's great. Good. You understood, no?
Yes, I understood.
Okay. So now this is the positive sentences. I would like to talk to you कि अब जैसे मेरे डैड नहीं लेकर आए, आप सेंटेंस बनाइए कि
मेरे dad.
मेरे डैड गिफ्ट नहीं लाए.
Okay, I'm
Sen-
typing.
okay. Try to type first one. My father brought a gift. यानी कि
My
और सेकंड में
father, my father brought gift.
ओके मेक नेगेटिव मेरे डैड नहीं लेकर आया. एग्जैक्टली नेगेटिव इसका बनाओ.
Okay.
मेरे डैड गिफ्ट लेकर नहीं आए मेरे लिए. माय फादर मेरे डैड मेरे लिए गिफ्ट नहीं लेकर आए. लेट मी सी व्हाट आर यू टाइपिंग.
I have sent you.
बट आई
My
डेंट.
father not brought a gift for me.
But I have not seen here. No, you have not sent. You not type.
Yes, yes, I have sent.
But here, this is. Can you see my screen? You have written only my father brought a gift for me, and after
Okay,
that,
I'm typing again. Wait, I'm copying it and typing it. Wait,
yes,
copy. Did you get?
hmm why? What happens here? I think in this, can you see now? Like my father. If I'm writing here, my father.
Yes,
So what are? I can't find here.
yes, I got my father.
So what's it? That's what I'm saying. In the same typing, this is the cursor. Because right now you are typing in some other mobile or something else.
I'm doing laptop.
So that's why I'm not getting here.
Okay, let
Can you
me
see?
see.
Can you see? Because I can see that the last one you have sent. Yeah, right now you're typing. My father brought a gift for me means मेरे डैड लेकर आए और मेरे डैड नहीं लेकर आए.
Yes, I have sent it 4 times.
But right now I can see that you are typing, but
No, I'm not typing.
but it didn't come to me how it is. Let me see. No,
My father not brought a gift for me.
yes, now I have got it. So look, Mayurakshi, this is wrong. Okay, when you have to talk about the negative sentences, so this is completely wrong. Okay, for negative sentences, you have to know that you have to write down. Look, this is I have pasted here. अब देखो ये brought है ना नेगेटिव में हम एक यूज करेंगे ऑक्सिलरी जिसका नाम है डिड। डिड के बाद हम लगाएंगे
My
नॉट।
father didn't. My father didn't got a gift for me.
अब यहाँ पे ब्रॉट नहीं लगाएंगे, यहाँ पे ब्रिंग का इस्तेमाल करेंगे।
Did not bring a gift. My father did not bring a gift for me.
ओके, अब मैं आपको देता हूँ कि कुछ वर्ड यू टोल्ड मी,
He told me.
एवरीथिंग, मेक दिस नेगेटिव। यू टोल्ड मी एवरीथिंग, तुमने सब कुछ मुझे बता दिया।
He
मेक
didn't.
मेक इट नेगेटिव।
Okay. You didn't. Tell. You didn't. You didn't tell.
I have given a lot of sentence and I want you to write down negative of this.
You.
Did not, that's good. The second one is you told me everything.
They went home.
They went from. Make negative. Understand? No? So this lesson will help you a lot to understand what are the right structures of speaking in negative, and I will also ask you to go with
Not.
interrogative. Yes, now I think you understood.
They did not go home.
Yes. She slept.
She
You drank water.
she slept. Okay. She did not.
Yes, this is okay. Now you drank water. तुमने पानी पिया। Yes. Not by destroy. Okay, now I would like to ask, these are the positive and negative sentences. If I ask you कि क्या आपके डैड सो गए, तो कैसे मैं पूछूंगा आपसे?
Did your dad sleep?
Slept नहीं होगा, sleep होगा।
Sleep.
Did your dad? Whenever you put
Did
did, no, you try to understand. You have to use first form. Okay, make some more sentences. Did they go? क्या वे लोग चले गए? क्या आपने कुछ पूछा?
did you ask something?
हाँ, yes. Now I think you understood. Make some more sentences.
Did you ask something? Okay, I'm typing.
I'm waiting. Make 3 and 4 sentences. This will really improve. Yeah, did she cook? Yeah, this is good. Very good. Asking some more questions. Yeah, I'm waiting. Did he, she study? Very good. Did he go किंवा did he go to gym?
Uh,
Did he did
what
he
what
go
you have told me?
did he go to gym?
To
Did he go to gym? Yes.
to gym. Yes. Okay. I'm tapping more. Wait a minute.
Yeah, I need two and three more.
Okay.
Did she know me? That's fantastic. Sometimes you know that in question that you have seen in your book. Did you know? क्या आप जानते थे? Like this. Did she know me? So this is the third structure that you see. Means first I told you that this is first they understood. They understood everything. What is the means of this? They understood everything. Mayurakshi,
Yes.
what is the means of they understood everything?
Did they understood everything? They
So did they understand? No, it's wrong, no? Did they understand everything? Understand now?
did they understand? I written by mistake. Did they understand?
Make it.
They didn't
Make it.
understand everything.
Make once again.
Did they understand everything?
Hmm. Did they understand everything? Now this is the third format that I have told you. The what is the fourth form? क्या वे लोग कुछ नहीं समझे? क्या
Didn't
आपने?
they
Yes,
didn't they understand anything?
yes,
Wait, I'm tapping.
yes. You
Did
type it.
he- the fourth form? Didn't they understand everything?
Yes. The fourth one and the last one. Why? What did they
Why?
understand? Yeah. What? Yeah. Why anything? How did they understand? Yeah. Why did they understand? वो क्यों समझ गए? And look, I have given this one. Why did they understand? Okay. So the why did they understand? This was the fifth one. And why didn't they understand? This was the fifth and sixth that you have to work on such structures.
And the sixth one will be why didn't they understand?
Yeah, you can say didn't की जगह instead of saying didn't, you can say didn't.
Why did they under
Why didn't they
Why
understand?
didn't they understand?
Yes, you went to Delhi. Try to
You.
Went to. You try to make all format. Make negative, make interrogative. The second one, let me see.
Okay, you went to Delhi. Okay,
Uh,
let me take.
yes, make numbering like this. Second. So let me see how you say that. Yeah, I'm waiting for that. Let me see your class work in front of me. And then I will give you a lot of sentences for your homework.
Didn't.
सेकंड विल बी यू वेंट टू दिल्ली तुम दिल्ली चले गए सेकंड तुम दिल्ली नहीं गए yeah make fourth one four and dot and four why did you go to Delhi in fifth one why didn't why did you no did you the third one is did fourth one is didn't you go to Delhi fourth one is didn't you go to Delhi fifth one is why did you go to Delhi sixth one is why didn't you go to Delhi so before speaking and before giving a lot of homework to you I will tell you that what you have to do it homework make sentences with all structures okay 20 each okay you have written one structure one sentence now with you go to Delhi then the second will be they went you don't have to repeat a word twice a verb as a main verb like she prayed to God they decided to cancel the program like this you have to then again you have to start with the negative you have to make negative 20 sentence you have to make these questions 20 sentence ready so you understood now
Yes, I understood.
now you have to speak a lot when you have to understand on the basis of this there are many moral stories can you speak some stories like there was a crow once it was thirsty it was flying over the forest Can you speak? A thirsty crow.
Okay. Several several years ago, there was a
Hmm,
crow who was
hmm,
really thirsty, and he was
hmm,
flying around the sky.
hmm,
Then he saw a pot where the water was there. But when he got when he
hmm,
got there, he saw that the water in the pot was uh, really the water was uh,
hmm. At the bottom
in
of the pot.
at
At
the
the
bottom
bottom,
of the pot.
the water was very less, you can see, and the water was at the bottom of that pot. Now, that you understood, no? You don't have to
Yes.
repeat a word twice and thrice. You don't have to fumble. You don't have to stop yourself. Try to speak smoothly, a kind of a storytelling art. After that, I will tell you how to speak stories, how to tell stories. That is called storytelling art. Come on,
Oh, when
go ahead.
so he saw that the water was at the bottom of the pot, and he was not able to reach the bottom with his beak. So then
With
he
try
saw
to use
he,
wait Mayurakshi, try to use it and its. You can use pronoun it for the crow, because the animals and the birds and the any non-living things, mostly we use it. That it was thirsty, it
it.
was flying, not he was flying, okay? It was not able to reach the water with its peak, so it decided a plan. Now, come on, go ahead, let me see.
Then he saw
It saw.
small pebble. He it saw small pebbles at the side.
No, that
So
is wait. Then it saw several small pebbles in this vicinity, okay, around the pot. Several, not like pebble is not only single pebble. There were several pebbles. There were plenty of pebbles. And last time, how I told you, that means many, several, a lot of, a plenty of, a plethora of. So you can say plenty of pebbles. It saw. Come on.
okay, it saw plenty of pebbles around the pot.
Hmm.
It it got an idea
Hmm.
that if he will if he will pick up the pebbles,
Hmm.
if he will pick up the pebbles and throw that in the pot,
Hmm.
so the water will come up and the pebbles will be sink
Hmm.
because they are heavy.
Look, pebble will
So
be sink. It's not a good sentence, no? Pebble will be sink. It's not good sentence. Okay,
okay,
continue.
so it done that.
Hmm.
So
So
when
it
the
start.
water came up,
When the water came.
so so it start doing 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 his work. It work.
It started drinking water or what?
Then when
Hmm.
water came up, it started drinking water. Then
Hmm.
when he is satisfied, then it it fly flied
No,
it
it's
flied.
flew. It's flew away. And it is not called satisfied, it is called quenched. Q
Squanched.
U E N C H E D. It quenched.
Squanched.
Pani, it, I should write it down now. Quenched. It's kind of satisfied like drinking water. So it quenched its thirst and flew away. Okay. So this is a kind of the sentence that you can make when you have to speak stories. Quenched. Why not quenched its thirst? It quenched. Yes, this is now nice sentence. Look, if I have to make a sentence like this, so you can say the crow quenched his की जगह आप लिखोगे its thirst and flew away. Understood?
Yes, I understood.
Okay. So lot of words that you can use while suppose now I would like to tell you one story. You can see how the storytelling art and how you can make your speech effective. Means you should be in a rhythm. You should not break your rhythm. So I would like to tell you one story that you may have listened, you may have heard one story of a lion and a mouse. Have you heard the
Yes,
story of yeah? So let me tell you how it was told and how you have to tell in future. Okay, so let me begin. There was a lion and it was lying, it was sleeping under a shady tree. So it was in a deep sleep. By the time there was a mouse. A mouse came near the lion and the mouse started running over the body of the lion. And the mouse wake means mouse, you don't have to see wake, you have to say woke. The mouse woke the lion up. Lion got up or lion woke up. Lion woke up and lion got very angry and the lion caught the mouse and the lion was about to kill to the mouse. By the time the mouse begged its life, the mouse said, "Oh my lord, oh the king of the forest, please forgive me, please spare my life. If you leave me, one fine day I will also be able to help you." The lion laughed after listening to the mouse. Lion started laughing and thought, "What a little creature, do something for me in the future." But, however, the lion let the mouse go. After few months, the same lion was caught under a hunter's tree, under a hunter's trap, hunter's net. So lion started roaring loudly and the same mouse whose life was spared by the lion. The mouse heard the sound, and the mouse reached to the spot, and the mouse saw the mighty king of the forest was unable to come out, and the lion was helpless. The mouse said to the lion, "Oh, the king of the forest, don't worry, I'm here and I will set you free." So mouse started biting to the ropes of the net, and within no time the mouse set the lion free. Both of them they ran from there and they thanked each other. So this was a story, and the moral of the story is what? Never underestimate of a power of a little creature. Do you understand what I'm saying right now? Tell me.
Yes, I understand it totally.
So,
Yes,
what
I
is your
understood.
homework? You have to make some of, you have to speak next time some of the stories. I will ask you more than 4 or 5 stories to speak. And I would like to see your rhythm of speaking. How many times that you are fumbling. Okay, that's why you have got 2 days, Sundays and Mondays. So in that 2 days, you have to write down these structures. And you have also not made that structures. The use of has and have. I am expecting in all format. You write down sentences. So now the next time you have to be ready. We have to speak stories. Understood? We have to communicate and interact a lot with that. So this was the session today. In that session, you understood that how the use of past simple tense, the verb
Okay.
second form, and still you have to speak a lot storytelling art. Okay, next time, next
Okay.
session, I would like to see if you're speaking your story that should be in a flow. It should be just like a kind of an orator, and you have to explain the story that you have to make effective speeches. You have to follow the rhythm. Okay, do you
Okay.
understand?
So when
So
will be the next class?
uh, Tuesday, Tuesday and Thursday and Saturday, 3 days. It was your 6 days. In that 6 days, you understood the tenses, past tense. In 2 and 3 more sessions, I will finish tenses, and then I will start your model auxiliaries. That is one of the most important like topics that you have to learn. The use of should, the use of could, I will train you. And finally, I will teach you the passive voice and how to speak stories.
Okay.
Okay? Right now, I can see that you are really learning well and you are improving your grammar. But next session, you will speak a lot on the different topics. Next session, only your speaking will be there. Okay, we have
Okay.
to do less written work, but maximum speaking work. Okay, so
Okay.
be ready with this all homework. Then see ya next time. Thank you very much, Mayurachi. Have a great day, beta.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You too.